Looking at getting timber floors for your home, have you ever considered engineered timber? I'm here to explain everything you need to know about engineered timber and what makes it a practical and appealing flooring option for your home. Engineered timber flooring is made to remain flat after it's installed. Regular timber can leave you waiting for hours or days before you can use it. Engineered timber is pre-finished, so you can use the room right away. Engineered timber is also less likely to bow and cup than regular timber flooring. Engineered timber is made up of layers. The top layer, or the lamella, runs from 2 to 6 millimeters thick and is made of genuine hardwood timber. The timber is selected for its quality and graded, ready for pressing. Each piece of timber is kiln dried to guarantee the perfect moisture content. The lamella is then bonded to either 1 or 2 further layers. One is a core which is made up of multiple layers of plywood, or hardwood with a softwood base. They're then pressed together with adhesive in a high-frequency press. In the final step, the boards are cut to rough sizes, coated, finished, sanded, and profiled. Now, they're ready for easy installation in your home. Engineered timber is now the most popular type of wood flooring used around the world. It has a number of advantages over solid wood planks, including increased stability, indentation resistance, easier installation, and affordability. One more attribute of engineered timber is that it is more environmentally friendly than solid timber floorboards. Thanks to engineered timber, we are now able to create much wider timber boards, as well as being able to create a variety of interesting finishes, which reduces the demand for exotic species, as their rich colours can be simulated with the use of oils, heat, and pressure. If you're looking at getting timber floors for your home, engineered timber is hard to argue with. If you're still not convinced, why not visit an Andersens showroom to view the wide range of beautiful and diverse engineered timber flooring available. At Andersens, we're committed to helping you transform your house into a home.